Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to activate new Lloyds Bank debit card. Now, there's something important to keep in mind when using the website or the app. If you go to the menu and check the card and PIN service section, you'll see several options. However, you might notice that it only explicitly mentions activating credit cards online. Debit cards are a bit different. To activate your debit card, the easiest way is to head to any ATM of your choice. Simply insert your card and enter your PIN. Once you've done that, for example by checking your balance, your card will be automatically activated. If for some reason your card still shows as inactive after that, you might need to wait a bit or use the Message Us feature to contact Joy support directly. Their virtual assistant can help you resolve any issues or connect you with someone who can. And that's it. Your card should be ready to go.